The Zip Seat Extractor is a game-changing product for professional plumbers and DIY homeowners. Shower valves can be complex to service with the standard wrenches on the market. Old seat wrenches can get stuck and become difficult to remove. Soft brass valve seats are stripped easily. Pipes can even be damaged or snapped, turning a small project into a major replacement. This would-be simple job has stopped in its tracks, and a new expensive job has only just begun. Oh no, what are you going to do? The Zip Seat Extractor gets the job done every time. The Zip Seat Extractor turns this painful, time-consuming, hand-powered valve service into an easy, quick, and reliable power tool job. No more stripped valves, no more valve failures, no more frustrating work-stopping surprises. The Zip Seat Extractor from A&Z World.